Today I will make very easy and tasty cinnamon crescent rolls. We will need 3 sheets of puff pastry, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 egg. Preparation: unroll the first sheet of puff pastry, remove the baking paper, and lightly dust with flour and gently roll it out with a rolling pin. Using a plate about 23 centimeters in diameter, cut out a circle. Repeat this process with the remaining 2 sheets of pastry. In a separate bowl, mix together 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Place the first circle of puff pastry on the work surface. Brush it with vegetable oil. Sprinkle it with the sugar and cinnamon mixture. Repeat this step with the second circle of puff pastry. Then cover the sugar-cinnamon layer with the third circle. Cut the stacked pastry into 16 equal triangles. And roll each one up into a crescent. Put them on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Beat the egg . And brush all the crescent rolls with it. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until puffed and golden brown. Let them cool down and sprinkle with icing sugar. Enjoy!